Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get OBS Stream Key 2024. So let's go to the browser first. Then you have to write here Stream, Twitch. Log into your Twitch account. After login, you have to click on this your profile icon. Now go to settings. Now you'll find here channel and videos. Click on this, and then you'll find here Stream. Click on Stream. Then you'll find here the first option, primary stream key. You have to copy this and go back to OBS. Open your OBS and you have to click on settings. Now choose stream, the second option. Now you have to find the service Twitch. If you can't find the Twitch, you have to click on this drop down and select Twitch from here. Now you have to click on use stream key. Now paste that key what you have copied in the Twitch. Now click on connect account. Now you have to put here your username like this and put here the password of stream Twitch. Click on login. Click on authorize and your Twitch account has been logged in with the stream key. Now just click on apply and then click on OK. You can click on done here or cross this one and you'll find here the chat option. You can cross this one too. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.